So we're gonna go over some glass cleaning tips. Here at Detailing World, we love to use the diamond pattern towels. Now we sell two. We have the auto fiber ones, and we have the Detailing World ones. Same towel essentially. It's gonna be the same diamond pattern. The reason we like these so much is that these diamond towels, they don't really give much. You're not gonna get much linting, and because of their nice flat area, they do a really good job of pushing flat on the glass and allowing you to go and kind of scrub. The key though is you want to use two. So we have the first one's gonna be our dirty towel. And then we're gonna come back with our second towel. The reason we use two is when you mop up all your dirt in this and you start rubbing on the actual glass itself, you're gonna end up getting a lot of smears. Some guys will take this one towel and try to clean all the windows, including the inside, outside, and before you know it, glass looks all smeared, looks a mess. So taking some of our glass cleaner, this is the Hydrocellix glass cleaner. This stuff has a little bit of ceramic in it to allow it to kind of cause the glass to beat up. So take this, spray on, mop a lot of it up. You don't have to get it 100%, you get a good amount. And then you see a little bit of dirt, not a ton. This is a relatively new car, so shouldn't be a ton. We did get some bugs on the way in. Now we'll take our second, 2 extra sprays. And now this is gonna just make sure we get any of the smearing that's on here. Get everything off. And now it shouldn't have any issues. Now, the cool thing about this glass cleaner is it does have a little bit of ceramic in it. So this is going to give you like a streak-free and a little bit of hydrophobic protection on the glass, make the glass beat up as he drives down the road. This will also work really good if, say, for instance, we coat the glass on here. This will help maintain a coated windshield. So then you'll still get the hydrophobics coming back up. So if you guys want to pick up any of these towels or even pick up this glass cleaner, please visit our website, DetailingWorldNJ.com, or come visit us in the store.